What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from your Revolut account to your Plutus account. Or in other words, how you can top up your Plutus account through Revolut. Also, before we get started, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. So let's get started. So first off, we need to open our Plutus account to get the account information to which we need to transfer funds from Revolut. Now, once you opened up your Plutus account, just click Top Up right here. Then confirm this. And we need to copy our IBAN, so our bank account number, and our SWIFT code. So first let's copy the bank account number. Once you copy it, you can exit Plutus and open up your Revolut app. Now, once you're in your Revolut app, you need to go to the payments right here. And in payments, you need to click on this plus icon right here in the upper right corner to add a new payment address. So in this add new section right here, you need to click bank recipient, the second option. Here you will be able to input all the bank information from your recipient account, so from your Plutus account. So first you need to select the country, and the country in which Plutus is Netherlands, so you just need to select Netherlands right here. Right here. Then you can leave the currency as euros. And now our IBAN has changed the first two identification letters. So we will just paste it over right here. There we go. And then you need the name from the account. For me, it's just my name. Now, once you inputted everything, you don't need to input the email. It's optional. You can just click Add Recipient. And there we go. The recipient has been added. Now, just to test it out, I will send €1. Now, once you add the recipient, you will automatically be redirected to the payment transfer screen. So I will just input €1 for the first test, and I will click Send. Now you need to review the transfer, so if everything looks good on the review page, you can just click Send once more. And there we go. Here's the transaction receipt. So if I go back to my Plutus app, we will just check if the funds arrived. And here we go. Once I refresh the page, you can see the new deposit with today's date. So that's how you can transfer money from Revolut to Plutus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.